Hello, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I'm here in beautiful Pacific Palisades on an installation that we just finished today. Our amazing installation crew did this. This is one of our tandem gates, basically utilizing a little bit of room to allow for more parking space here for this beautiful house. These two lifts are basically folding into the same location, one after the other. I will show you in a minute how this works, but it works really well. These are our aluminum gates. Obviously everything is aluminum. We are very close to the ocean here. Don't want stuff to start rusting really fast, so it's all aluminum. It's all powder coated. I'll get a little closer so you can see how neat the finish and the details are. Really beautiful, really well made. Everything is perfectly done on these gates, including, you know, the handles. This has a lock on it, obviously, so this is a very short gate, so anybody can kind of hop over it, but you can lock it if you want, so that restricts people from walking into the front door. This gate here, I will now show you how it works. We have a little keypad here that we place here so people can get in if they need to without having a key or a remote. And once we enter a code, you will see how one leaf travels faster than the other, and they both kind of fold into the same area here right by this pedestrian gate. So they utilize almost no room for to allow for still a big opening on that driveway, and without the need of basically utilizing this parking area here in front of the garage. So this is pretty much how it works. We're going to close it right now, same way with the keypad, and we will see how they both slide out until they come to a full closing. So really neat pattern that we use a lot here in this area, just because of the scarcity of the parking inside those parking garages. And that's about it. Ron from Mulholland Security in the Palisades.